What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to catch beachworms. Now, beachworms are fantastic bait both in the beaches and the estuaries and catch a whole variety of different species. And the best part is, if you know how, they're very simple to catch yourself. So here's how to do it. Now, there's a couple of things you're going to need, and the first one is a scaler bag full of fish frames. This is a Primal Deluxe one. It's got a nice long rope attached to it, which is perfect for when you're swishing it around in the waves. Now, the next one is a bait bucket. Now, that just saves you having to run up and down the beach with your worms as soon as you catch one. You can just chuck them in here and get straight back to it. Now, you want to start your worming efforts on a nice sandbank like this one. It's still got water washing over it, so plenty of movement to get that smell washing around. In my hand, I've got this little piece of bait here, and that's what I'm going to use to lure the beachworm out. And that's what we're looking for there. See him sticking his head up? That is a nice beachworm. And now we're going to try and catch him. Righto, guys, now technique wise, there's a number of ways to catch a beachworm. You can use the pliers, which I don't particularly like because it kills the worm and you only get one day out of them. Or you can catch them with your fingers, which is by far the funnest. Now, picture this as a worm. You feed them the bait, and then I like to do like this. So I slide my fingers to the side, I put my thumb next to it, and I'll feel that worm arch. And when he arches the second time, I tighten my grip and pull him out. Now, there's a few different techniques to do it. That's the one I found works best for me. It's just a matter of trial and error to see which one works best for you. There's a nice one there. Alright, feeding the bait. Slide your fingers aside. Wait for that second arch. Out of the hole he comes. There you have it. He's only a little beachworm, but I reckon the whiting are going to love him. You just chuck him straight into your bait bucket. Once you've got enough for a session, roll them in cool, dry sand, then store them somewhere cool until it's time to go fishing. Well, guys, that is how you catch beachworms. Hope you can master it and catch a few yourself. Happy fishing, guys. Cheers.